इकोनॉमिक अनसर्टेनिटी। एंड फॉर इयर्स जब ये शो स्टार्ट हुआ था, हमने कितने शोज किए? वी डन ओवर 80 शोज, राइट? इन
राइट।
शोज के बीच में हमने यही कहा है कि दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी द बेस्ट ईयर इकोनॉमिकली फॉर मेनी 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 पीपल। इसके काफी रीजंस हैं। जब जोडियाक साइन देखते हैं, देयर इज एरीज विच इज द स्टार्ट, फॉलोड बाय टॉरस, जेमिनाई, एंड खत्म होता है पाइसिस पे। अब पाइसिस इज कंसिडर्ड द एंड, राइट? ऑल्सो एस्ट्रोलॉजी में नंबर, न्यूमरोलॉजी में नंबर 9 इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द एंड। तो
राइट।
2025 एड्स अप टू 9, एंड सैटर्न जो प्लेनेट है वो पाइसिस के ऊपर आ रहा है, is going to transit very soon. So this is not considered to be the best sign for anybody, correct? There will be lots of issues in this year. As an astrology community, हम यही कहते हैं कि whatever is going on will increase in magnitude towards the middle half of the year, and the latter half of this year is not going to be the best for all of us. So आज का जो शो है, I want to talk about again career, finances. It's crucial. Economy इतनी solid नहीं है, especially jobs. Even today, people have lost their jobs. Yesterday, I had people coming into my office who have unfortunately lost their jobs. तो हम बात करेंगे आज की जो uncertainty है, and then there is rising inflation
Mhm.
and a possibility of recession. This will create some, anxiety, concern, and I believe, what is the right word? Uh, it will make us on our knees कि हम करें भी तो क्या करें? ऐसे बहुत individuals हैं who are not happy at work, but they don't have a choice. In fact, in this economy, you have a job, be happy. Unemployment rate बढ़ गया है, families के खर्चे बढ़ रहे हैं. So this strain is not just financial, but it is also more importantly mental. ये जो mental health है, this is actually very, very important. There's people who feel sad, then they feel helpless, and then they feel depressed. So we want to see कि astrology में ऐसा क्या है? What can you do to prepare yourself? What can you do to reduce these feelings of depression, anxiety? And हमारा तो purpose यही है कि we want to make sure we help you so you can be more happy, you can be more successful. Correct?
जी।
Those are what things we want to discuss.
सो आपने जैसे बताया अभी एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट में व्हाट आर द इंडिकेटर्स, लाइक हाउ कैन यू से दैट in economic context how the year is going to be, how it will affect individuals.
I think let's do one thing. बहुत challenges हैं, right? You know that, Vedika. आज भी there was some news today that the job openings have also gone down.
जी।
हमारे शो पे the focus is to illuminate how astrology can help you bring a supportive network in good times, bad times, and difficult times. अगर आपको लगता है ये खराब टाइम है तो ये खराब है, अगर आपको लगता है ये अच्छा है तो अच्छा है. There are some people who will tremendously prosper even in bad economic times. There are some people who will suffer even in good economic times. Why? It's the movement of your planets. जो planets हिलते हैं, ये आप कहते हैं कि आपके साथ क्या होगा, कब होगा, कैसे होगा, क्यों होगा. So I'm coming to your question. Career, finance, and immigration are three things that the Indian community in general has to deal with. Uh, I have heard cases कि अभी H1 जिनका है उनको green card मिलने को not 1 year, not 2 years, but it could even take 10 years to get that, right?
राइट।
Astrology एक ऐसा lens है which uses personal experiences and then figures out कि ये pattern क्या है. Life आपको बहुत chances देती है in astrology, too many. But you're going to take some decision or the other, and that will then impact the next choice you get. Think of it as a multiple choice question. अगर हम left गए तो क्या होगा, अगर right गए तो क्या होगा.
हम्म।
So you have made so many choices in your life. That's why you are here today. That's why you chose your business, your profession. And astrology can simply say कि आगे इन basis पे क्या होगा, क्या आएगा, and what to expect. If times are going to be tough, then you better prepare for it. Don't take it as a surprise. On the other hand, I'm going to discuss things like what you can do to overcome it. So आज के शो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि बाकी zodiac signs जो हैं, how will they react to this uncertainty. I'm going to provide some solutions and advice for people जिनको and again, who are dealing with job situation, finances or immigration. Okay. सो अगर आपके पास जॉब नहीं है या आप सोच रहे हो कि हम जॉब स्विच करें या कोई दूसरी कंपनी में जाए, थिंक बिफोर यू डू इट. इफ यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ स्टार्टिंग अ बिजनेस और यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ टेकिंग अ लोन, think carefully. If you're thinking of going back to India or you're thinking of moving to another country, think carefully. इस शो का क्वेश्चन इस द शो ऑफ द पर्पस ऑफ दिस शो इज नॉट जस्ट टू डिस्कस एस्ट्रोलॉजी कि ये प्लैनेट्स है, ये आपकी लाइफ इम्पैक्ट करते हैं, बट टू डिस्कस इट वेरी प्रैक्टिकली, स्पेशली इन चैलेंजिंग टाइम्स में कि आप क्या करोगे. ओके. तो आपका जो
Right.
क्वेश्चन था, एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल इंडिकेटर्स इकोनॉमी में क्या कर सकते हैं. इस इकोनॉमी में अगर हमें आपका जॉब देखना है, वी नो फॉर अ फैक्ट वी हैव टू स्टडी योर 10th हाउस. 10th हाउस क्या है? इट इज द हाउस ऑफ करियर, पर्सनल पर्सोना, मतलब दुनिया आपको कैसे देखेगी, एम्बिशंस एंड प्रोफेशनल गेन. बट हमें 6th हाउस भी देखना है, बिकॉज 6th हाउस इज हाउस ऑफ सर्विस. इट इज वॉट वर्क यू विल डू ऑन अ डेली बेसिस एंड हाउ योर हेल्थ विल बी impacted with your work. I see many people who keep working. Next thing you know, I have high cholesterol, I have diabetes, I have stress, all related to 6th house. We see आप करियर में तो ग्रो हो रहे हो, लेकिन आपकी बीमारी भी ग्रो हो रही है. So 6th house and 10th house are important.
Mm-hmm.
End of 2025, Shani, the planet of hard work, penance, suffering, delay, वो ट्रांजिशन करेगा पाइसिस में. And that means there is need for integration, a need for adaptability for almost everybody in their personal pursuits. जिनकी शनि 10th हाउस में जा रहा है, they will feel a massive shift in their career. They will feel lack of self-worth. They will feel a little sad in their work. शनि की जो एनर्जी है वो ये भी कहेगी कि हम ये काम कर क्यों रहे हैं, इज दिस द राइट जॉब फॉर अस. ओके. बट इन द लॉन्ग टर्म यू हैव टू रियलाइज कि शनि कहाँ बैठा है और क्या कर रहा है. ऑन द फ्लिप साइड, जुपिटर जेमिनाई में जाएगा मई 2025 में. एंड पहले भी हमने कहा है, जहां जुपिटर जाता है वहां एक्सपैंड करता है. एक्सपेंशन ऑफ जुपिटर इन जेमिनाई, which is a planet of business balance, it says you can take on new ventures, you can start new businesses. तो अगर आपकी कुंडली में जुपिटर एंड सैटर्न आर वेल प्लेस्ड, it's a good time to start a business. It's a good time to start that entrepreneurship जो आपको करनी थी. It's good to take a risk in your life. Yes, there is economic uncertainty, but you are one of the lucky ones who is able to do something different. लेकिन एक कैच है इसमें.
Mm-hmm.
You will have to balance your ambition with practical considerations, which means हाँ, अगर आपने कंपनी स्टार्ट करनी है, बहुत बड़ी होगी, it may not become that big. It may take a little longer. Saturn in Pisces is not the best position, but it is what it is. Correct?
And with that, we are opening the phone lines now. If you have any question, to all the listeners who are tuned in and listening to the Saket Bhatia Astrology Show, if you have any question regarding astrology, you can call us. It could be about numerology or Vastu, जो भी आपका concern है. Call कीजिए. The studio lines are open now, 510-770-1550. And we are talking about how 2025 is going to go for each and every sunshine or the moonshine.
In Vedic astrology, there are three signs that are important.
जी.
One, sun sign. Two, ascendant. And three, moon sign. Western astrology में हम बहुत emphasis देते हैं sun sign पे.
Sunshine पे.
Yeah. But sun sign in Vedic astrology is not true because that is your soul. That is what you inherently are. But is janam mein, you still have to consider your body. Your sun soul can only exhibit characteristics based on the body it is sitting in. And then there is mind, which is moon. So in Vedic astrology, हमेशा preference मिलता है ascendant को, followed by moon sign, followed by sun sign. But जब हम predictions करते हैं कि आपकी दशा कौन सी है या आपका राशि क्या है, what is the future holding, it is always done on moon sign. So today when we talk, we're going to do something different. We've almost never done this. हम कभी भी generally पढ़ते नहीं इनसे कि एरीज का ये होगा, टॉरस का. But for all the listeners out there, if you are wondering, you must go to a website like mine or something else and enter your date, place, time of birth. और पता कीजिए कि आपका मून किस राशि में बैठा है. मून जिस हाउस में बैठते हैं उसे राशि कहते हैं. So these predictions for 2025 will be focused on career, finance, and possible immigration status for each zodiac sign. That's what I want to do. Okay.
We have a caller. Can we quickly take a call?
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Bhatia.
Hi, Dr. Bhatia.
Hello. Good afternoon. How are you?
Hi. I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing very well. How can I help you?
So I have a question for my husband.
Okay.
His date of birth is 9/12/1974.
9/12/1974. Okay. His place of birth?
And yeah,
I cannot hear you again. I'm sorry.
Yeah, your voice is breaking. Can you say that again?
Malod in Punjab.
Okay. And time of
And
birth?
time is 3:30 a.m.
Okay. And what is your question?
I would like to know about his job and any chances for growth or change in, any job.
So if I'm reading right, you're saying September 12th, 1974, 3:30 in the morning.
December. I'm sorry, December 9, 1974.
December 9th, 1974, 3:30 in the morning, correct?
3:30 a.m. Yeah.
Yeah, in Punjab. तो इनकी जो
yeah.
कुंडली बनती है, he's a Libra ascendant, तुला कहते हैं इसे, और इनकी जो राशि है, that is sitting in Mithun. No, actually not Mithun, it is कन्या राशि. इनका नक्षत्र बनता है चित्रा नक्षत्र. अभी आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा है करियर का. करियर के लिए
Yeah.
हम अगेन, यू वांट टू सी ग्रोथ, प्रमोशन, स्विच, क्या देखना है आपको?
Right now he is in a company for I think last 2-3 years, and he's trying to change a job.
ओके. देखिए, अभी उनकी जो दशा स्टार्ट हुई है वो सैटर्न सन दशा है. सैटर्न एंड सन आर एक्चुअली नॉट कंसिडर्ड टू बी गुड प्लैनेट्स, दे आर नॉट फ्रेंड्स. आई वुड से डोंट डू एनीथिंग एट दिस टाइम. इट इज नॉट एडवाइजेबल. इसके बाद दशा आएगी शनि मून की, which is actually considered to be better for home and better for a switch. Moon is representing the house of career. There is no aspect of good planet, ना ही कोई planet का बैठा है वहां that's going to be helpful. My suggestion, इस साल मत कीजिए, it's not looking good. Try doing it sometime next year. Next year, as in any time after May, is more beneficial for you. Transit में Jupiter 10th house पे आएगा, दशा भी शनि मून की चल रही है. इस कुंडली के लिए Saturn is a good planet, strong, and he is retrograde in 9th house. So I would say wait. Saturn neutral dignity में है. Otherwise, it's you might end up not being very happy where you go. Okay.
Gotcha.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yep. Bye.
We have another caller waiting.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Sakit Bhatia.
Hello?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, hi.
You're on air.
Yes. Yeah, thank you for taking my call. My date of birth is November 25, 1977, 10:30 a.m. Mumbai.
10:30 a.m. in Mumbai. Okay.
Yeah.
And November 25th, 1977, right?
Correct.
And what is your question then?
Question is just about my general health in 2025. Do you see any red flags or things are going to be okay?
So for health, we will see your seventh house, I mean sixth house, which is typically health, disease. Your ascendant is Jupiter. Your in Vedic astrology, your Sagittarius ascendant, धनुष कहते हैं उसे, और आपका जो मून है, he is also exalted in the sixth house. जब मून exalted होता है sixth house में, that's actually considered fairly good because he is able to do more. वो विपरीत राजयोग बना रहा है. अब जुपिटर आपके ऊपर बैठा है, so for this kundali he is not going to cause any problems. I don't see anything bad with your health. Next, starting May, when Jupiter transits into Gemini, it's only going to be better for your health. So health-wise, no
Happy to
problem
hear that.
for you.
All right,
Okay.
thank you. And in general, one question, like from Vastu standpoint, when a glass breaks accidentally, is it a good sign? What is your expert opinion, or a bad sign? Because I've heard
It's
many different things.
Vastu is about structure, right? It's about how the house is placed. It has nothing to do with glass breaking. Glass breaking is a myth. I have read
Okay.
countless books on this. I honestly have,
Uh-huh.
and to my expertise and my knowledge, कांच टूट गया तो टूट गया. You can't do anything about it.
Exactly.
Don't put too much
Okay.
emphasis on that. Be practical in your life. Okay.
Thank you
The
so much.
orientation
Thank you.
placement of the glass is important. Where it was placed, not where it broke. All right.
Got it.
So don't worry.
Okay. Thank you
Bye.
so much.
So, listeners, we are listening to the Saket Bhatia Astrology Show, and you can connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia directly by calling him. The number is 408 639 5300. The website is saketbhatia.com, and you can email him if you have any particular question at info@saketbhatia.com. Or you can give us a call during the show time, 510 770 1550. So let's start with Aries.
हम एरीज के साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं. The first zodiac sign. Aries is also called Mesh राशि. राशि is where the moon is. So अगर आपका moon Aries में placed है, this will apply to you. In 2025, Aries will begin the year with Jupiter in their second house. Okay. Because Jupiter currently Taurus में बैठा है, अब Gemini में जाएगा. Second house is the house of wealth, values, integrity. इसका मतलब for the first till May you will have financial growth, financial stability. But Shani is moving into Saturn, into Pisces in April, which is 11th house. Your house of friendship, your house of aspirations, your house of recognition. इनमें challenges आएंगे, whether it is at work or whether it is with your friends. If you're looking to get a new job, it's a good idea to do it now. Don't expect much from your friends in terms of getting a job or making a progress or starting a business anytime after May of this year if you are in Aries Rashi. ये जो ट्रांजिशन है ये अनसर्टेनिटी देगा आपको अचीविंग करियर गोल्स में, बट दिस इज अ पीरियड ऑफ 2.5 years फॉर यू. अगर आप डटे रहो, you keep firm at what you want to do, then it will navigate to a better period for you. Relation wise you won't have a problem, but long term goals जो है थोड़ा इनको realistic रखो, just because it's going to create a mild challenge for you. So Aries के लिए, मेष राशि के लिए ये था. I'll jump to Taurus. Oh, you have a call?
So we have a caller. Let's take it before.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Yeah, hi. Thanks for taking my call. The date of birth is August 25th, 1975, and the place of birth is Chennai.
Okay.
And the question is
time of birth?
8:25 p.m.
8:20. Okay. AM, right?
p.m. Right.
Okay, 8:25 p.m. Okay.
And the question is, do you see any business opportunity coming in this year, like starting a new business, or next year?
Let's repeat that. August 25th, 1975, 8:25 in Chennai, India.
Right.
Okay. Your question is, can you start a business now?
Yeah, is there any opportunity you see starting from this year?
There are two things that you should think about. Three, actually. One, what business you want to start. Two, how much time it will take to start. And three, should you start with friends or should you put your own money or take money from people? What kind of business are you trying to start? If you don't mind sharing that. You don't have to be in detail, but just tell us a little bit.
Yeah, at this point, it's in the air. I'm just thinking up loud right now. But is anything like particular do you see in my favor?
You're running what we call Moon Jupiter Dasha. Is Kundli mein Jupiter is your ascendant. And Jupiter and Moon are obviously friendly planets. Moon se Jupiter is 2 houses away, symbolizing money, hobbies, gains. Yes, it is a time for you to start something. I'm telling you that the time to start something started September of 2024 and will end on December 2025. Then Moon Shani Dasha comes in, which is not the best Dasha for you, but still a Dasha of gains. So go start something. Go start something now, but think carefully because is Kundali mein, your business lord, Mercury, is very vulnerable. He is sitting with Sun and he sits exactly 12 houses from business partnership. That might not be a good suggestion or an idea for you to partner with someone. Okay. Jupiter is good in your Kundali. There is no problem. Go start. If you, again, I tell everybody, agar specific questions hai, come meet us in person. We are here to guide you. Business is a big decision of your life. Sometimes people start, then they get sad and they say, didn't work out. But for you, things should work out if you do the right business. Okay. I wish you the very best.
Thank you so much. And yeah, I'm looking for individual, not a partner. But
don't do
sorry
partnership.
if I don't mind if I ask you any specific, do you see that it comes in my favor? Like, do you see anything specific?
I don't understand the question. Specific what? Is it the type of business
Like,
or what?
Yeah, type of business, right? That you see in my favor.
See, to understand the type of business, you have to look at the 10th house Lord placement in the Navam's chart from Sun, Moon, and Ascendant. It will not be possible on the show. It will take a lot of time. This question is tricky. Let's say I come and say yes, Moon. But Moon can mean education, hospice, blood bank, property. There are so many possibilities. We'll have to see what you are also interested in, what your skill set is, and then figure out how we can align and make that better for you. But long story short, you're running a good dasha. You should start something and you should start it soon because Moon Shani Dasha mein, it will become difficult for you to start. Okay. Which is happening end of 2025. Okay. Bye.
Thank you so much. I'll think of it later.
Sure. So Vedika, I was saying,
Ji.
Starting the business at the right time is never an easy choice. Most of us start the business jab dasha aati hai, or at least start planning and you've already burned through months. It takes time. Like let's say you want to start a restaurant today. Okay. Agar aapki dasha aayi hai restaurant ki, or it's going to last 2 years, you know very well it's going to take 6 months to get a place. And then it's going to take another 8 to 9 months to make that location. You've already blown through a year of your life, and that's not good. जब दशा आती है, grab it. Generally, when individuals call me who are in their late 40s, it becomes easier to read the chart because all the planets are mature.
Right. So we were hopping on to Taurus next.
Taurus is called Vrishab Rashi. Taurus will feel Jupiter very strong until May of 2025. Everything that could be good will happen. Good health, good opportunities, good time for personal growth. Everything you want, you can achieve. But that's only till May. Shani जो है वो Pisces में आ रहा है April में, and that is really going to impact your 10th house career lord. So अगर आपकी वृषभ राशि है, you will be having more responsibility, more demands in your personal life. Suggestion for you, start learning new skills. Start adapting to your new stressful environment. And if you maintain stability, your likelihood of continuing your job is very strong. Okay, so it's a good thing for you, the first half of the year. अब हम जाएंगे Gemini, मिथुन राशि. मिथुन राशि जो है, Jupiter is going to come on them, उनके ऊपर, May 2025. I keep saying Jupiter because they're very important planets. जब 2025 May से लेके December तक, it is going to bring growth, optimism, everything they want in life. Personal growth, business start करने करो, enhance confidence, good communication skills, good health. But Shani जो है वो Pisces में जा रहा है April में, वो 9th house पे है. 9th house is health of father. 9th house is your wisdom. They will get tempered and tarnished. Maybe you will have little overconfidence, ego. So it is very important in this time. अगर business करना है करो, but try educating yourself a little more. सेल्फ इम्प्रूव करो अपने आप को, बिकॉज ये जो है दिस कैन हेल्प यू इन द लॉन्ग रन. नेक्स्ट विल कम टू कैंसर, जो
Mm-hmm.
कर्क राशि है. कर्क राशि के लिए जुपिटर उनके 12th हाउस में जा रहा है मई में, विच इज स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ, टाइम टू टेक इट इजी, एंड टाइम टू जस्ट यू नो फिगर आउट कि लाइफ में आपने क्या किया. इफ यू आर अ सीनियर सिटीजन, इट्स अ गुड टाइम टू रिटायर. If you are, you know, if you sold a business or if you are looking to get something, it may not be the best time for you to find a job. ये लाइफ में आपका क्वाइट फेज रहेगा. यू विल हैव टू रीवैल्यूएट कि आपने क्या किया है और आपको एग्जैक्टली exactly क्या करना है. शनि एक्वेरीज में है 8th हाउस में. इट विल कॉज प्रॉब्लम्स विद शेयर्ड फाइनेंसेस. अगर आपका कोई बिजनेस है, पार्टनरशिप है, इट्स लुकिंग नॉट द वेरी बेस्ट राइट नाउ. सो कैंसर लोगों के लिए हम यही कहते हैं, फाइंड बैलेंस बट टेक चार्ज ऑफ योर मनी. दिस पर्टिकुलर ईयर इज गोइंग टू बी ट्रिकी इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी फॉर यू.
So,
नेक्स्ट
listeners,
हम आते
agar,
हैं.
just let me remind everybody who's trying to call us that we just have 20 more minutes in the show. You can definitely call and connect with Dr. Bhatia right now by calling 510-770-1550. But that will be just for a quick question. अगर आप डिटेल में बात करना चाहते हैं, if you want to discuss something with him one on one, do call him directly 408-639-5300. एंड saketbhatia.com जो उनकी वेबसाइट है, वहाँ आपको सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी हाउ टू कनेक्ट विद हिम. अगेन द वेबसाइट इज saketbhatia.com and his number is 408-639-5300. So would just like to remind the listeners, stick to one question as we have other callers and we would like to take as many calls as we can. So we have another caller waiting. Can we quickly take a call?
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Bhatia.
Hi, I had a question for Dr. Bhatia.
Yeah, hi, I'm here. How are you?
Hey, I'm doing good. How are you?
Very well, thank you for asking. How can I help you?
So, my question is, I wanted to understand if there are new job opportunities coming my way.
Okay.
My
And
date
what
of birth is
Yes.
May 27th, 1981.
Okay, and your place of birth?
Place of birth is Tatanagar, Jamshedpur.
Okay, and time of birth?
Time of birth is 3:20 p.m.
Okay. So I'm going to repeat that again. May 27th, 1981 in Tata Nagar, Jamshedpur at 3:20 p.m.
That is right.
And your question is there a job opportunity for you right now?
Mm-hmm.
So in order to look at job, we will have to look at your 10th house and your 6th house. 10th house is how you will work with your superiors, and 6th house is the kind of work you will do. Your ascendant happens to be Libra.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Libra ascendant, and he happens to be very, very well placed actually in the 8th house. Dasha chal rahi hai moon, Mercury moon ki. Fortunately, moon is not enemies with Mercury. And 7, 8, 9, moon is 9 houses away from Mercury, so that's a positive. In transit, Jupiter goes into your house of luck on Mercury. Yes, you have opportunity to get a job, but I would say don't do it yet. If possible, do it only after June of this year. It is better for you. And since you are going to be able to switch after June of this year, I would recommend take whatever comes your way and then again switch June of next year. So June of 2025 to June 2026 is a very good chance for you to move. June 2026 through June 2027 is even a better time to move. Rahu is placed in your career house. Jupiter Rahu is going to do wonders for you there. And you're running a very powerful dasha right now. So yes, do it, but think carefully, think wisely. Don't do it till June, okay?
Sure. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
We have another caller.
Okay.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hi, I would like to ask a question for my son.
Sure. What
His
is your son's date of birth?
date of birth is 30th March 2001. Time is 2:01 p.m. Place is
Okay.
Santa Cruz.
Okay.
Hello.
And yeah, I'm here. And your question?
Question is, will he have new job opportunity? He's already working, but I would like to know that would he have a better opportunity coming in his way?
So you're telling me he's born March 30th, 2001 at 2:01 in the afternoon in Santa Cruz, right?
Yes, USA. Yeah, the country is USA.
So country Santa Cruz, USA, California. Looking at his kundali, he is the Cancer ascendant. Moon is placed in Taurus, though exalted hai. Mars, Lord, is also making a strong Raj-yog. Navam's chart mein Venus is retrograde. Ab Dasha is running of Jupiter. That means less likelihood of him getting a job right now. Plus, Jupiter is going from one house to the 12th. I would say he should try to stick where he is. Is there a reason he wants to move right now?
Yeah, he's in LA, so he would like to move to Bay Area. So that's the only reason. Other than that, his job is good.
See, Rahu is the planet which is in the ninth house. Ninth house is home of potential to move. But Rahu is also getting out of that ninth house in a few months. If he wants to move, he could. But I don't see him. There is no job dasha running right now. Does that make sense? Jupiter dasha, there is no aspect on this planet. I don't see any job angle at all right now. He could move here because he could decide I'm packing my bag and coming, but not a wise thing to do. Unfortunately, with no aspect, there is less likelihood of him getting a job. And if he does, with Jupiter moving into the 12th house, it makes it vulnerable to change and vulnerable to loss. I would advise don't do it right now. It's not the best thing for him. Okay. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Vedika, it is really
Leo.
about timing in life, when to do
Okay.
things.
जी.
Right? Abhi Leo pe aate hain, which is called Sim Rashi.
जी.
Leos will experience Jupiter in their 11th house. That means you have to understand 11th houses, networking, opportunities, and that means it is time for you to start getting in a bigger circle, start collaborating with people. Great time to elevate your career prospects. Saturn is aspecting and coming into 7th house of partnerships, which means married life mein stress rahega, relations mein stress rahega. The chance that you will start a business with friends will also be possible, but stressful. I think for Leo people, this is a very good time. Good time for business. Yes, granted some stress, but overall a very good time. This year is going to be nice for you. Think about it. Leo, if you are there listening, good time to start something, network, even get a better job or promotion. फिर हम आते हैं कन्या राशि पे, वर्गो. जुपिटर टॉरस में होगा मई में. ओके, ये करियर का घर है, पब्लिक रेप्यूटेशन का घर है. Very favorable transit for career enhancement. Advice is don't switch your job but get promoted. शनि पाइसिस में अप्रैल में आएगा 6th हाउस में, which means काम अच्छा चलेगा. You will probably get more people working for you, but it might cost you something in health. So if you have especially diabetes or you have thyroid, then that may get a little worse for you. Leo, Sim and Kanya ke liye, this year is going to be very good for work. So focus on your work, focus on growth. Leo means start a business. Kanya means you can go get promoted in your career. Next हम आएंगे तुला पे, तुला राशि which is Libra. Again, इस साल के लिए Jupiter 9th house में है, higher learning में है. So if you are thinking of going to school, research, great time. If you're thinking of traveling, good time. But शनि आपके 5वें घर पे आ रहा है, which is the house of creativity and self-expression. You won't be able to express everything you want very well. If you have equities and stocks, they will take a hit, especially for you. Libra के लिए हम यही कहते हैं कि this year is going to be above average. The first half will be tough. The second half will be better. अब आते हैं वृश्चिक राशि पे, which is Scorpio. Scorpios will feel the full effect of Jupiter in Taurus in May. आपके 8th हाउस के लिए बहुत अच्छा है ये. 8th हाउस क्या है? Shared resources, other people's money, financial matters, business, partnership. शनि जो है वो पाइसिस में जाएगा अप्रैल में, वो आपके 4th हाउस पे निकल के बच्चों की लाइफ पे आएगा. इट विल ग्रांट यू प्रॉपर्टी, बट पर्सनल लाइफ थोड़ी शेक हो जाएगी, इमोशनल स्टेबिलिटी नहीं मिलेगी आपको. You will have to balance your career ambitions with personal responsibilities. Leo, Virgo and Sagittarius के लिए this is going to be a very good year overall. अब Capricorn पे आते हैं, which is
जी.
called मकर राशि. मकर राशि के लिए जुपिटर जो मई में है 6th हाउस पे, डेली वर्क विल बी गुड फॉर यू. आपको लगेगा कि आपका काम अच्छा चल रहा है. पर जब शनि पाइसिस में जा रहा है 2nd हाउस में, बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट स्पेंडिंग. You have a chance of basically losing your job, unfortunately. मकर राशि वालों के लिए. So this year will tell you कि जो financial strategies है थोड़े अपने बचा के रखिए. Save your money. It's not the best for you. अब हम जाएंगे Aquarius या कुंभ राशि. Aquarius के लिए again Jupiter 5वें घर पे है, creativity, expression and encouraging new ideas, new projects. अगर आपको कुछ बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, वेंचर स्टार्ट करना है, गुड टाइम. शनि 1st हाउस में आ रहा है, विच मीन्स इट्स गोइंग टू टेस्ट यू, योर क्लैरिटी ऑफ माइंड. कभी कभी क्या होता है वेदिका, सम पीपल थिंक दे हैव एन आइडिया, इट्स द बेस्ट थिंग एवर एंड दे गो ऑल आउट. बट दिस इज द टाइम इट्स टेलिंग यू, सेटल डाउन, बी अ लिटिल स्टेबल, फिगर आउट बाउंड्रीज क्या डालनी है आपको, एंड मेक श्योर यू रीअसेस योर डिसीजन. लियो, Virgo, Aquarius, good year for you guys. Very good year overall. And finally हम आते Pisces पे, who's मीन राशि. जो मीन राशि वाले हैं, they will experience Jupiter in Taurus until May. इनका जो 4th हाउस है, फैमिली होम, ये अच्छा जाएगा. इस टाइम पे they will receive support from home, family, parents, children, wife. शनि जो 12वें घर में जा रहा है, this will cause feelings of isolation and anxiety. Overall, I think the best it is for Pisces because there's a lot of growth, there's a lot of support. Chances you will lose your job is very low. Chances you will get good stuff happening in your life is very high. ये जो एक टाइम है ये बार बार नहीं आता, सबके लिए अलग होगा एंड सबके लिए मैग्नीट्यूड भी अलग होगा. Which means if you're going to start a venture, you should think carefully about it. A venture could be anything from you starting a restaurant to you starting a multi-billion-dollar company to you maybe taking a small project in your company and saying, this is my baby, I want to make it grow. Think carefully कि venture का मतलब क्या होता है, किस फील्ड में होता है. हमने बार बार शो में यही कहा है कि astrology is about magnitude also. How big it will be, how small it will be. But at the end of the day, what did you get out of it? हमें ये भी सोचना है कि आपको मिला क्या और आपने कितना एफर्ट डाला है इसमें. Sometimes it can take decades of hard work before things pay off. Not everybody falls lucky. हमने एक चार्ट्स पढ़ी है लोगों की जो कहते हैं ना, they made it big very quickly. They came up with an idea and bang. 2 साल में it worked out, they're very happy. Look at their charts. It was all about timing. Planets so mature, दशा अच्छी थी, placements अच्छे हैं, तो होना था. It just happened. Remember, if you want to make your chart better, हमने last show में remedies की बात की थी. These are ways in which you can improve your life, reduce the impact of bad planets, and improve the impact of good planets. ये करना चाहिए आपको. अगर आप घर में पूजा करते हो, you meditate, you do spiritual stuff, then why not accept the fact कि planets are playing a bigger role than you think? Just because we don't know it doesn't mean it's not happening. It is happening. It is very true. And use it to your advantage अगर ये knowledge आपके पास है.
Absolutely. And to know what the time is for you and when is the time to start something crucial in your life, you can always connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia, either directly calling him 408 639 5300 or logging on to his website saketbhatia.com or writing to him info@saketbhatia.com. So we have a caller waiting. Can we quickly take a call?
Absolutely.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Bhatia. Thanks for holding.
Hello.
Reduce the radio volume, please. There is a lot of echo.
Okay. Hello, Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Namaste. How are you?
I am good. Thank you. How are you?
I am doing very well. How can I help you?
I have a question regarding my career. Actually, I have a long break in my career, and I wanted to know, is it okay to pursue the same career which I had earlier, high technology, as I have been looking to restart career since last 2+ years, but there is no success so far. So shall I pursue in the same direction, or shall I go for something new differently?
So give me your date of birth, please.
It's 14th April 74.
And your time of birth?
It's morning 11:40 a.m. in India, Mumbai.
Okay. So your question is again, should you go back in that field you were working, or should you look for something else, or do you want to start something? क्या करना है आपको?
कुछ decide नहीं yet, but I want to know if I have to, how will I be successful if I go back in the same field which I used to do earlier.
Okay. So April 14th, 19...
It's very difficult to find. Yeah.
April 14th, 1974, 11:40 in the morning in Mumbai, Maharashtra, right?
Yeah.
आपकी जो कुंडली बनती है, your Mithun Lagan, which is Gemini ascendant, and you happen to be, आपका जो moon है, he is in धनुष राशि, और आपका नक्षत्र है शादी नक्षत्र. अब ये कुंडली में दिखता है, at least what we understand is, एस्ट्रोलॉजी में रूल है, whichever house the ascendant lord sits, that house is guaranteed. And आपके करियर के घर में बैठा है. But Mercury in D1 chart is debilitated. Debilitated means he's very weak. He cannot protect his house. He is not able to do that. अब राहु है जो इस घर से निकल के 9th house में जा रहा है. There is no aspect on this house. Yes, you are running Jupiter Dasha, but that is not enough for you to get a job. It is not going to help you get a job. इस कुंडली में your ascendant is very weak. So you really need to reconsider what you're doing. I'm just trying to tell you what I can. Jupiter career का मालिक है, तो वो job दे सकता है. And he's making a very strong yoga in this kundali. I would say the good time for you to start the job, if you can even get a job in the next 4 months, that will be good. अगर 4 महीने में नहीं मिलता आपको, then it's really going to be tough for you to get a job. I don't see one happening till towards the middle of next year. कोई aspect नहीं दिख रहा मुझे.
Okay.
Unfortunately. So you have other options here.
If I go,
Yes. You have other options. If you go what?
Can I start something of my own?
Be very careful starting something of your own. Because something of your own, अगर आप start भी करोगे, it's not going to take off till December of 2026. Jupiter moon जब आएगा तभी gains आएंगे. I would say first plan what you want to do. आपको exactly क्या करना है. Sun exalted है इस कुंडली में, वो gains देगा, वो पैसे अच्छे देगा. You need to start something in your hobby. Your third lord is sitting very well in 11th. वो gains देगा, पैसे देगा. What is your hobby? Who you want to start with? You need to plan that out very carefully. I do not recommend you going back to work and getting a job because it's highly unlikely. 4 महीने में job मिलते हैं, ठीक है. नहीं मिलता, go start something. Who you will start with, how you will start is, and what field you start is something You want, we can sit and discuss, but it's beyond the scope of this show. यहाँ नहीं होगा, unfortunately.
Okay.
It is going to be in a related field of moon, which is something to do with food, or something hospice, something to do with property. Those are good fields for you, but not software to start a business. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you
Chalo.
so much
Thank
for your
you.
call. If you have further questions, you can always connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia directly at 408-639-5300. So we have
Astrology
just...
में
जी.
2 minutes.
Yeah,
Astrology
last 3 minutes, yes.
एस्ट्रोलॉजी में एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस जो होते हैं, दे आर यूज टू हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपके लाइफ में चैलेंजेस क्या आएंगे और अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्या हैं. अगर आपको बिजनेस स्टार्ट, अगर आपकी जॉब नहीं है, यू कैन डू वन ऑफ टू थिंग्स और थ्री थिंग्स. वन, यू कैन मेक अ रेज्यूमे, पुट इट ऑनलाइन on a website and wait for recruiters to call. Or you can take an action and say, no, maybe this is a time for me to do something different जो मुझे करना था. बट आपको क्या करना है? हर एक को डर लगता है ना, अनसर्टेनिटी है. If I put money, will I get money? Even if I don't put money, will I make money? Who do I partner with? How much money can I spend? How much time can I spend? अगर कर भी दिया, कोई और कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है? You don't have the answers. Sometimes go with your gut and sometimes use astrology. You cannot start any business in isolation. You need people. लोग जानने चाहिए, नेटवर्किंग करनी चाहिए, आपके स्किल्स क्या हैं, हॉबीज क्या हैं. अगर आपका हॉबीज 12वें घर में चला गया, यू आर एक्चुअली गोइंग टू स्पेंड मनी ऑन योर हॉबीज, नॉट मेक मनी आउट ऑफ इट. इफ अगर आपका थर्ड लॉर्ड 11वें में गया, yes, you will make money on your hobbies provided the other planets are supportive. कितने लोग कहते हैं I'm good at art, I'm good at painting, I'm good at this, but how many become designers? Not many. Look
Right.
at any popular designer's kundli. Venus is strong, Mercury is strong. 3rd and 11th lord का योग होता है या कुछ conjunction. So skill enhancement, stress management, these are very important things. छोटे छोटे goals बनाओ जिससे आप आगे एक एक step बढ़ सकते हो. Yes, I have told last year, I have said this year in many shows, economy is not the best and the economy is not going to be good this year. Astrology society, आप कहीं भी पढ़िए, we are all expecting more challenges coming forward, more difficulty. So prepare for it. अगर आपको business start करना है, remember, most successful businesses do not start when economy is booming. They actually start when the economy has collapsed or is going towards a recession, because these businesses navigate those difficult times through good leaders and through good ideas. So for all the listeners, agar aapko questions hai about your future, your growth, your business, reach out to us. We can help you. We want to help you have a better life.
Thank you so much for all the information. Thank you so much for your motivation. And thank you for being on air with us. And thanks to all the listeners who tuned in and called us. The people who are trying to connect with us right now, unfortunately, we are out of show time for today. But you can always call back next Tuesday, 4 to 5 p.m. Or you can always connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia directly by calling 408-639-5300. And with that, this is RJ Vedika signing off. But stay tuned because RJ Swati is coming next with Cruise Control.
You are listening to Radio Zindagi.